Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Ankit. So in this session, we will discuss how we can create Next.js application without using Create Next App command. It means we will create our Next.js application step by steps with using manual installation. So let's see. First of all, we will create a folder Next.js manual app. Git bash here in which we will add the dependency manual. So for this, before this, we need to create a package.json because we have created np created folder empty. So npm init -y. So it will create your package.json file. Okay, now you can close it. So here you can see package.json file has been created. Now uh, we will open this folder inside of mm, VS Code. So here package.json you can see. Here we will change the script code. Here we will define dev colon next dev. We'll define build next build. Next we will define start. Next start. Next, we will define lint. Next, lint. Okay, now we will create a simple app folder. Inside it, we will create a layout.tsx file. Layout.tsx. Inside this, we will define this code export default function root layout children children colon react dot react node return html lang equal to en. Inside it we will define the body in which we will render the children. After this, we will create another file, that is page.tsx. We will define the following code: export default function page. So before this, we have to add the dependency here, npm install next, sorry, next latest, then React dependency, React latest, then React DOM dependency, React hyphen DOM latest. It will add the dependency of next React and React DOM. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to install the dependency, 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, package has been installed. You can see package log.json has been created, and you can see here the dependency has been added. Now we will run the application using the command npm run dev. Here you can see that here it is automatically created tsconfig JSON using npm run dev command. So here you can see it is generated the .next folder, which multiple type of folders has been created. We will talk about later in the video sessions. So you can see it print the hello Next.js from page.tsx. This one. So you can explore the project structure as well. You can create a pages folder inside the app folder, and where you can create multiple pages for your application. So for that you have to define the underscore app.tsx and app underscore document.tsx file. App.tsx file inside the pages folder that will define the global layout that already we saw in the layout.tsx file in the last video session. And we have to create a underscore document tsx file under the pages folder that will do to control the initial response from your server. So that is the way from which you can create your Next.js app using the manual installation without using the next create next app command. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. So please subscribe my channel to get notified for every new video and like and share the video to your group circle so that everyone can take the learning power of free video tutorial series. So we will meet in the next video. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.